I'm out here on a older GT mountain bike. I don't know much about mountain bikes, as you know. I'm a mainly motorcycle rider, but I feel silly. I'm wearing my motorcycle climb F3 helmet. I'm up near a bike path. But anyways, this bike here that I got is a GT. It looks like it's called the Backwoods. And here's the forks for those interested in all that. I have no idea. This bike is loaned from the FLB Club. Check out his channel in the description. But he put a Luna cycles, battery, mid-drive kit, the computer up here, and I guess this, the throttle, and yeah. And I'm going to take it out for a spin. Oh, we'll see if I get yelled at or what the deal is. I can pedal, right? Depends how you look at this. Are you using throttle only or just to help you pedal? So I'm going to go out there and I'm going to see how this does. I don't know all the specs on the whole Bafang motor. I know that's who makes it in China. You can see how it attaches. He took it to a bike shop to do some stuff, which I don't know what they did, and he did like a tune-up on the bike or something. I don't know. He got this bike in trade from a friend of ours for a hitch carrier, and as you can see, this is an aluminum frame, I guess. And I weighed this bike at home. I weighed myself, and then I weighed the bike. This bike, with this setup, battery, is 57 pounds. I don't know what that means for mountain bikers, but it's 57 pounds. The battery is a Shark. It's 52 volt, 13.5 amp hour, 702 watt hour maybe? I don't know exactly what that means. It's a Luna lithium ion, energy dense lithium ion. Treat with respect. It hooks to the bottle mount. Some people say that's a little flimsy. It has a key so you can't just steal the battery. You turn it on, off, and on. And I just topped off the battery. I took my daughter to her school. She rode her little scooter, and I followed her and brought her scooter back using this up the hill. It's pretty awesome. Here's how it looks down here. So you can't change gears up here. You can only change them here. You can see it's pretty dang close here to the frame. So that's things you have to work out if you're adding a kit to an existing mountain bike you have, like what will work. I have an old GT, which is actually my wife's bike from university, and it's a men's bike, but it's so old it doesn't have disc brakes, and I would probably have to go with mid-drive because I can't do a hub motor. I was thinking hub motor would be easier, but her forks are magnesium, and they're known to break with hub motors, and I can't do one in the rear because it's so old. The distance across there isn't wide enough, although it's a steel frame, so you could spread it apart, but it sounds like a lot of work. I just really need to invest in a whole setup if I like it. So let's go try this out. You turn it on here, and he has this cool little computer. It says Luna. And there you go. I have it fully charged. I don't know if the time is correct. No, time's not correct. It's not 6:50. It's like 11 o'clock or something, 11:30. So that needs changed. I don't know how you change anything. Doesn't seem like a touch display, so I'm not sure what you do there. You can change your power. You can go all the way down. 1's assist, 2's assist, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there we go. Had it on 2 and it hauled butt. So I think higher the number, the more power. Don't remember though. Or maybe that's just for assisting. See, I don't know. So anyways, let's go take this out. And let's go see. Oh, I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of looks. There was one older guy on a mountain bike that just went by, so when I pulled in. And I'm wearing a motorcycle helmet, so please note. But that's how I can video, right? So I don't have my goggles on. That would be too too weird. Let's see, that way? No, that was easier. And I'm pedaling right now. So, of course, we gotta look. It's a street. So I gave it a little throttle there just to assist while I pedaled. So I could probably get back into biking. When I was a kid, man, BMX, I love BMX. I never could do like all the tricks, but I was into like building ramps. And so right now I'm on the Santa Fe Trail. We'll see how this goes. Is that one the up? Nope. Whoa. Okay. Little one is makes me go faster. The bigger thumb one makes me downshift. And we'll see if I crash. Hey, I don't know why he like jumped way over there. Did he think I was on a motorcycle? Like, man, he like ran off the trail. It scares me more. Like, and he kind of looked at me like, oh. So maybe I'll go down to 0 for the assist. It's still throttle, so. Oh, I thought I was on 0. There's 0. Yeah, it doesn't. Okay. Higher the number, I think, the more it's going to assist you. I'm on 4 now. Yeah, cool little trail. And I'm pedaling now, too. I'm also not used to brakes. So let's see. Yeah, that's the back. Okay. Get a little throttles. I didn't even know there was a street back here. Little throttle. I'm not on throttle now, but pedaling. Yeah, this actually makes riding, like I could get back into riding a mountain bike. This could be a way for me to get back. And I'm pedaling. But the great thing is, like a hill like that, I just give it more throttle, and it's gonna help me get up it. Here, let's put it on 9. Oh yeah. I'm pedaling. It's kind of like one of those gray areas. You know, it's like I'm kind of pedaling. I mean, I'm only wearing the helmet because of the camera. Like, I don't have a way to really video. So we'll see. And I'm just using pedal assist anyways. So, like, I'm only using it when I need to. Oh, here's the guy that passed me earlier. Well, it looks like this trail gets very muddy. It's actually a nice day. I'm just wearing a t-shirt, which means I'll get sunburned quick, so yeah, I won't be out here too long. But this is the Santa Fe Trail. And it goes along I-25 there. Ugh.